This video is an introduction to the new SA100 web form. If you are currently using an Ftax PDF form, you can save the data and import it into the web form. Ftax web forms will work online from within your Ftax account. Unlike the PDF forms, they will not require any setup and will work on smartphones, tablets, or any kind of desktop and laptop computer. Different versions of the SA100 web form are available for individuals, businesses and agents. If you need to declare income from a UK property, self-employment or a partnership, you will need the business version of the form. If you have SA100 credits for PDF forms, you can use those credits for web forms too. A credit already allocated to a UTR will also work on the web form version. Your Ftax account dashboard has a new section to enable you to manage the credits, and there is a new page from which to manage your web forms. Click on Start New to create a new SA100 web form. View All will display existing web forms. All Ftax web forms have an overview page to guide you through the process of preparing and submitting the tax return. If you click on a client or tax filer or on the Start New button, the overview page for that form will be displayed. After either selecting an existing client or tax filer or entering the name and UTR, click on Credit to allocate a credit to a UTR, and a tick will appear in that section of the overview. As each stage is completed, a tick will appear, allowing you to see at a glance what stage the submission is at. Open and close each section of the overview using the plus and minus symbols. Click Edit Form to be taken to the tax return itself. This page is a facsimile of the HMRC paper tax return and emulates the HMRC return as closely as possible. Click on a field to view advice as to what is required in that field. Links to HMRC notes are included at the top of each section. To the left of the form is a vertical menu bar, or via the icon on the top right if you are using a smartphone. Click the plus symbol to see every section of the form. Click the section to be taken directly to it. Click Select Sections to add a new section. For example, if you need to declare the income from a property, choose the UK Property section from this list. You will now see this section in the left-hand menu bar. Some sections, including self-employment, may now be given a name. Click Attachments to add up to 4 additional PDF forms to your submission. Click Import to import data from a previous or current PDF SA100 form, or from the Ftax Partnership form, or from the Ftax Cashbook. Go back to the overview at any time by clicking Back to Overview. When you have finished editing the form, click Save. You will be prompted to correct any errors or omissions, although you can override this and carry on. When you have completed the form and saved it, click Back to Overview. Here you will be able to calculate the tax liability. Click to display the SA302 calculation overview or the payment summary. Details of the entire calculation may also be displayed. You can return to edit the form again at any time, or you may generate a PDF copy of the tax return. Please note that clicking the PDF copy section from the overview and then clicking Tax Return PDF Copy will produce a number of options. When you are ready to submit, you must agree to the form declaration before clicking Submit. If you wish to first make a test submission, then tick the box before clicking Submit. Remember to ensure that this box is unticked again before making your submission to HMRC. If you are an agent, tick to confirm that your client has agreed to the submission. To amend a submission, go to the form on your dashboard, click to open it, make your changes and submit again. Making sure that the Submit as Amendment box is ticked. Submission data is immediately available at the bottom of the overview. Ftax will retain a copy of your tax return when it is partially completed, so that you can return to it at any time and pick up where you left off. When submission to HMRC has been successfully made, a copy of all submission data will be retained.